Why do some people effortlessly attract wealth while others struggle endlessly? The secret lies not in luck or chance, but in habits and mindset. Let's uncover why you're not wealthy yet. The mindset trap. Your beliefs shape your financial reality. Limiting thoughts about money restrict growth. Replace scarcity mindset with abundance thinking to unlock wealth-building potential. Fear of risk. Fear paralyzes financial progress. Calculated risks are essential for wealth. Embrace discomfort, make informed decisions, and watch your financial landscape transform. Lack of financial education. Without knowledge, wealth remains elusive. Learn financial basics, budgeting, investing, and saving. Empower yourself with education to make informed financial choices. Procrastination and action. Delaying action is the enemy of wealth. Opportunities are fleeting. Start with small steps and build momentum, turning intentions into tangible financial gains. Poor spending habits. Mindless spending bleeds potential wealth. Track expenses, prioritize needs over wants, and create a budget plan to channel funds towards investments and savings. Absence of goals. Without clear goals, wealth is unattainable. Define specific financial targets and timelines. Goals provide direction and motivate disciplined financial behavior. Networking neglect. Wealth grows in networks. Build connections with like-minded individuals. Exchange ideas, seek mentorship, and leverage relationships for financial opportunities. Ignoring passive income. Relying solely on active income limits potential. Explore passive income streams like investments or side hustles to diversify income and build wealth over time. Failure to invest. Stagnant money loses value. Investing grows wealth exponentially. Research options, start small, and let compounding interest work its magic on your financial future. Living beyond means. Living lavishly leads to debt, not wealth. Live below your means, save diligently, and allocate funds wisely to build a stable financial foundation. Lack of persistence. Wealth requires perseverance. Faced with setbacks, many give up too soon. Stay committed, adapt strategies, and keep pushing towards your financial dreams. Underestimating compound interest. Compound interest is a wealth-building powerhouse. Start early, invest consistently, and let time magnify your returns, creating substantial financial growth. Inadequate emergency fund. Without a safety net, financial setbacks are devastating. Build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses, ensuring financial stability and peace of mind. Ignoring health. Health impacts wealth. Medical expenses can derail finances. Invest in health through lifestyle choices and insurance to safeguard your financial future. Lack of gratitude. Gratitude attracts abundance. Appreciate what you have, fostering a positive mindset. This mindset shift opens doors to opportunities and pathways to wealth.